Where are you taking that? Where do you think you're taking this, little lady? Oh my goodness, I think it's about time that we turn the hose on and get this party started. Buddy, go play with the hose. Play with the hose. Look, what's this? Get it, babies, get it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Uh-oh. Oh, it's the hose. It'll get ya. Oh! Go, 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 go. Get it, get it, get it, get it. She's having so much fun with this little hose. Is that fun, huh, babies? Huh? Oh, you just want belly rubs now, huh? You remind me so much of Lucy, my puppy. Oh my goodness. Oh, don't bite him too hard. What? What, Mr. Polar Bear? What? You just want to chase me, huh? Oh. They're getting it. They're getting it. Get it, buddy, get it! Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, you got it! Don't get too much water though. Don't want you to choke right now, okay? Oh, Mr. Polar Bear, hey, big old buddy. You want some waters? Huh? Or you just want to hang out with that cute little smile? Oh, she got it! Oh no. Oh, distracted? Oh. Oh, you're so cute. Hi, you're cute too, buddy. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. You're so cute. Don't chew up the grass, just play with the waters. Oh, you sneaky one, Mr. Polar Bear, you sneaky one. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss you guys. It's all done, sweetie. It's all done. I turned the water off. I turned it off. It's all done, guys. All done. No more hose. No more hose. Was it fun? Oh my goodness. You're gonna just play tug of the camera, huh? Let go, drop it. Hey, drop it. No, no, no. Did you guys have fun? Oh, someone had fun. Someone else had fun. someone is still having fun. It's all done. There's no more waters. It's all done. It's all done, Mr. Polar Bear. It's all off though. There's no more waters. See? Alright everybody, and thanks so much for watching today's episode. This was an absolute blast hanging out with these Labradors. Unfortunately, this is going to be one of the last episodes. These guys are already 8 weeks and they're going to their forever homes tomorrow. Stop that. All done. Hey, hey, no. Thank you, thank you. But anyways, we're going to be getting out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this amazing ride. These were some of the cutest, most amazing puppies I've got to work with and hang out with. And I was super fortunate to share them with y'all. Anyways, if you haven't checked out our online store, please do so, fatpuppystore.com. We have a lot of awesome dog products, dog accessories, and treatos. Oh my goodness, you're so cute. But we're gonna be getting out of here. I'll have a link in the top of this video's description if you'd like to check out the store. But for now, we're gonna be saying pause out till next episode. Say bye, sweetie bear.